Hi everyone, my name is Allison Fuller and I just wanted to say congratulations to all of us that made it this far in the semester. I can't believe it's almost over and I am so ready for summer. So I'm just going to jump right into my favorite projects that I completed over this semester. The first one I wanted to share with you was a vector image that I created in Illustrator. This was a project for a family that works in our real estate brokerage, and they just wanted to do a fun spin on a logo. So I'm just going to walk you through some of the steps that I took to complete this project. So I chose an image to convert to vector, selected an image trace preset. So this one you can obviously see it's a Godfather's theme. So I chose to go with the silhouette option. And then once the preset is selected, the image automatically goes through a tracing process. And once the image is traced, then it's time to edit it and fine-tune the image to how you want it to look like. So different options I use for this, just changing colors, filling in empty spaces, adding additional colors by using the pen or brush tools. So this was I love this project. It was just out of the box. It was a lot of fun. And all in all, they were really pleased with how it turned out. All right, so the second one I wanted to share with you was a logo that I created for a new community that's going to open up to the public later in the summer. I'm thinking in July or August. So for this one, the tools that I used were Shape Builder tool, Color tool, Type tool, Line tool. This project took me about 3 days to complete. I found some inspiration from going online, seeing what I liked, and then going back and forth with the agents that were going to represent the community. And we all decided that this was kind of the style that we were going to go with. And in the end, they were happy with how it turned out. So that makes me feel good. Okay, next we're going to go to InDesign, which is my favorite to work in. This is a kiosk ad that I created. It's actually going to be featured in the Village at Meridian. So this one, different tools that I used, text box, selection tool, direct selection tool, rectangle, frame tool, and then you can see where I placed obviously placed the photos, added text. This one took a little while for me to complete. This one took probably, I would say, around 2.5 weeks. Again, it's not only my opinion of what I think it looks good. I have to reach out to the agents. I have to reach out to my boss and see what everyone thinks of the end project. So I think it turned out really nice. And you can see over here all the different links that were used, properties, the different pages, the layers, and just see what all was put into this project. Okay, next I created a buyer brochure for our agents to share with their clients. This one was pretty cool. It's just nice to be able to create materials for the agents that work in our real estate brokerage. And all the agents were really excited when this came out. So we will go over here to the pages panel. You can see total of 16 pages were created. Again, the tools that I use, text box, selection tool, rectangle frame tool. You can go in here and edit text, edit photos. And yeah, it was fun. So I'll just scroll you through everything that we did, or I did. Oh, looks like there's something. Okay. Anyway, so this one was a fun one for me to complete. Okay. Moving on to some of these half-page ads that were created for the Canyon County Parade magazine. This one was fun for me because my husband and I also build custom homes throughout the Treasure Valley, so I was able to create this fun little half-page ad to feature our homes, along with other builders that are going to be featured in the Canyon County Parade of Homes as well. So you can just go and see here. Go to the different pages. You can see all the links, layers, properties, So you can go here. Oh, excuse me. I'm still trying to get used to like recording myself down here on the screen. Okay. So yeah, this one was a lot of fun for me to complete. Again, you just use, text box, the rect selection tool, rectangle frame tool, and then placing photos. And then again, you can go over here and replace the links if you want. Okay, now for the big project. This was the magazine that I created for Better Homes and Gardens. This one was a very daunting task. It took a long time for me to complete, but I love how it turned out. I did run into having difficulties saving it to an HTML file at the end of the semester when this was due. So that was a little bit difficult, but I was able to save it in a digital format. And I'll show you that over here. So I was happy that I was able to turn this part in. So yeah, it turned out really good. Like I said, it took a couple months for me to create, but I'm happy with how it turned out in the end. There we go. That was the first page. You can see the little thing I added up there. Okay, so for me, this semester, I was really happy with how everything turned out. I did have difficulty saving it or exporting it to an HTML file, but overall, I had a wonderful semester, and I'm so excited I was able to share these pictures with you. Thank you.